Singers, we got golden fingers, and we're loved everywhere we go. We sing about beauty, we sing about truth, at $10,000 a show. We take all kind of pills to give us all kind of thrills, a thrill we never know. Here's a thrill that'll let you, once you get your picture on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Rolling Stone, wanna see my picture on the cover. Gonna buy 5 copies for my mother. Gonna see my smiling face. Sing it. I got a freaky old lady named Cocaine Katie, who embroiders on my jeans. My poor old gray-haired daddy driving my limousine. I was on the side of Hawaiian minds, but our minds won't really be blown. Like the thrill that'll let you, once you get your picture on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Rolling Stone, gonna see my picture on the cover. Gonna buy 5 copies to my mother. Gonna see my smiling face. Here. Oh, you can tell the world he never were my girl. You can sing about me when I'm gone, or you can tell your friends I wanna fool up him and laugh and talk about me on the phone. Or you can tell your mom I moved to Arkansas. You can tell your daughter about my leg, or tell him on a cliff, or she tell my lip. He never really loved me anyway. But don't tell my heart, my achy heart, just don't think he'd understand. And if he tell my heart, my achy heart, he might know a big Elvis man. Yeah. We got a lot of little blue-eyed teenage groupies who'll do anything we say. Got a genuine indie guru who's teaching us a better way. Now it's all the shine of the wild minds. Our minds want to really be blown. Like a thrill that'll let you, once you get your picture on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Rolling Stone, wanna see my picture on the cover. Gonna buy 5 copies to my mother. Gonna see my smiling face. A Rolling Stone, wanna see my picture on the cover. Gonna buy 5 copies to my mother.